Hi, fourth graders. So I've made a little video for you that you're going to use with your Spiral Math Notebook this morning. You may have to stop the video, replay it, or watch it all once. It's going to be very short, and then watch it a second time as you have your notebook and pencil ready. This is taking notes that will get you ready for today's math lesson. So it's on place value. And I'd like you to do a couple of drawings with me, and then we're going to write some words so that we have vocabulary ready to go for our lesson. With place value, there are 4 drawings I'd like you to do. Here's the first one. It's called a 1,000 bar. So give it some thickness. It's different than a 10 stick. Looks like that. And we're going to write it. We're going to put this as 1,000 bar. So jot that down in your Spiral Math Notebook. The next one is the 100 square. So again, we're going to draw it. It's a square. And we're going to label it. 100 square. These are words that you're going to start to hear me use a lot as we start in our math book this week. You should become very familiar. Some of these should already be familiar to you. So the next one is our 10 stick. I'm going to actually put it over here. This one is thin and it has no thickness to it. And let's label it 10 stick. And finally, there's one more, and that's going to be our 1. It's a cube. It's little. You'll see it's different in comparison to the 100 square, and we're going to just call this 1. Okay? So you should have now 4 drawings and labels in your Spiral Math Notebook. The 1,000 bar, the 100 square, the 10 stick, and the 1. When I talk about base 10 and I ask you to do drawings, this is exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to put another 2 words here. We're going to call these base 10. So now when I ask you to do a drawing using your base 10, you're going to know what I'm talking about. I'm going to put a little bubble around this. Base 10. Okay? The last thing that I want us to do today is to show our place value. We're going to label this. So we're going to do 4 places. 2, 3, 4. And again, I want you to please write this in your Spiral Math Notebook. These are notes for the day. We're going to start over here on the right-hand side. We always start with our ones place. The place to the left will be the tens, hundreds, and I bet you already know what comes next. The 4th place over will be our thousands place. Okay, we can use words, we can also use numbers. So I'll put ones, because sometimes in math you'll see me do this. I'll sometimes just use the numbers. Tens, hundreds, and thousands place. This is the beginning talk about place value. So please make sure that you've got that in your Spiral Notebook. If I went too fast, if you didn't get this all, you may watch this video again. All right, I will see you soon for our first real math lesson. Bye-bye.